what happens in Brazilian Portuguese when we have the consonant S plus the consonant C? We have two scenarios. The first one we call dígrafo. Dígrafo means that two or more consonants have only one sound. As an example, we have the word adolescente. As you can see, S and C together has only one sound, which means equals S sound. Adolescente. Adolescente. We also can have encontro consonantal, when two or more consonants meet each other. They are together. And you have to pronounce each sound. Let's see an example. Escrever. Escrever. As you can see, we pronounce S and also we pronounce C. Now we're going to see a list of words in order to improve your pronunciation and also increase your vocabulary. For me, knowing how to pronounce words in the language that you are learning are one of the most important things you can do, because it's going to make your listening, your writing, and even your pronunciation way better. Consciência. Consciência. Crescer. Crescer. Descer. Descer. Disciplina. Disciplina. Fascinante. Fascinante. Piscina. Piscina. Rejuvenescer. Rejuvenescer. Transcendental. Transcendental. Incandescente. Incandescente. Obsceno. Obsceno. Buscar. Buscar. Descansar. Descansar. Descoberta. Descoberta. We can pronounce descoberta, but also descoberta. Descoberta. Both pronunciations are acceptable. Desconfortável. Desconfortável. Or desconfortável. Desconfortável. Descrever. Descrever. Or descrever. Descrever. This vowel can have E or E sounds. Desculpa. Desculpa or desculpa. Desculpa. Discreto. Discreto. Escassez. Escassez. ofuscar, ofuscar. Descongelar, descongelar. As you can see, the C consonant has the same sound as the consonant K. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn Brazilian Portuguese with me, subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time.